Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone completely off. This avoids shorting. Once done, remove the case and SIM tray so you can access the lightning port freely. Next, use a bright light and a 10x magnifier to identify debris, corrosion, or bent pins. This visual tells you whether cleaning or repair is needed. Prepare tools: a wooden toothpick for gentle scraping, a can of compressed air to blow out loose lint, and a 90% isopropyl wipe for later contact cleaning. Now you clean the port methodically. First, blow short bursts of compressed air from the side. This dislodges loose lint without pushing debris deeper. Then carefully use the wooden toothpick to hook and lift trapped fibers. Press lightly and work slowly to avoid bending pins. If you see corrosion or sticky residue, lightly dampen a lint-free swab with 90% isopropyl and stroke the contacts once or twice. This dissolves grime. Throughout, inspect frequently so you know when the connectors are visibly clear. Power the iPhone back on and test charging with the original cable and wall adapter. You want to rule out accessory faults first. If charging still fails, try a certified replacement cable and adapter to eliminate cable issues. Make sure the lightning connector seats fully. Bent pins or a loose board cause intermittent contact. If you detect bent pins or internal board damage, stop. Do not force repairs. In that case, arrange professional service or an authorized repair that can open the phone safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.